back to my channel and thank you so much for hanging out with me. And if you're seeing my face for the first time, then hi, I'm Tanisha and I make videos about makeup, skincare, product reviews, DIYs and many more. So if you like my content, please consider subscribing to my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon as well. And in today's video, I would like to share a review of a conditioner. But before that, I would like to clear one thing here. Well, I did not buy the whole L'Oreal Dream Lens range and I have my reasons for that. First of all, they have named their shampoo as a restoring shampoo that actually repairs your intensely damaged hair. And I don't understand how any shampoo can repair your hair. I mean, shampoo is supposed to clean your hair. Yeah, it can increase hair fall if it's a bad shampoo. I don't think it can actually repair your hair, and shampoo is not for repairing our hair, it's just to wash our hair. So they have claimed to restore the damage of the lens and all, and I don't understand because it's a wash of treatments and it stays hardly few seconds and I don't think it can repair in those few seconds. So simply, if they just claim it to be a normal shampoo, I would have bought it, but they claim did not look promising to me, so it did not attract me and that's why did not buy it. And secondly, they have this leave-on cream or leave-in cream that actually seals all those split ends and make it smoother and appear our hair healthier. Well, I don't know about that. It's a bit pricey. It's around 500 rupees. I still didn't buy it because it may be good, it may not be good. I haven't tried it, so I can't talk about that. But I just wanted to see how the conditioner work on its own. It's most of the company's business techniques. They always say, to get the best results, use the shampoo with the conditioner and ends with the leave-on cream. I mean, if your product is good on its own, why do you need a supportive product to help get all the benefits? I don't understand that simply. So that thing I don't like, how they promote the whole range and they don't speak about only the product. So I thought I'll simply go with the conditioner because it's a detangling conditioner and I'm talking for a long time now. I should show you the product now. It is a L'Oreal Dream Lens conditioner and it's the detangling conditioner. I'm not going by the whole this Dream Lens range or the brand or anything. I'm only concerned and interested about the detangling factor here. It is supposed to detangle your hair that is already tangled during the shampoo, or maybe your hair is curly or wavy and it can get tangled any point of time. It is supposed to detangle all of them and make them separate so that you get less breakage and less hair fall. They have priced it for 209 rupees for 192.5 ml. It's kind of weird, 192.5. I mean, make it 92 or make it 93. What is this 0.5? And you never know 0.5 is still there or not. I guess we will never know that, but anyways, I have been using this shampoo for 2 to 3 weeks. I guess it's kind of a recent launch, maybe not this week, but it get launched I guess few months back, I think 1 or 2 months back. So it's pretty new for me, and I was using the L'Oreal No Leave-In Time conditioner before this one. That was also pretty good. But I just wanted to try a new conditioner and here it is, and I leave this conditioner for 3 to 4 minutes on my hair. It does detangle all of them and my hair feels pretty smooth and soft afterwards. Even if I don't go with a extra serum, my hair still feels very soft and nice. I mean, this hair is 3 days old, like I haven't washed my hair for 3 days. And I think it still looks fine. Maybe not great, but it still looks fine. And one more thing, they have a pretty long ingredients list, and there they have mentioned that they got castor oil, vegetable keratin, niacinamide, hydrogenated wheat protein, soy protein and corn protein. So all of them are pretty good for our hair. So it is a pretty promising ingredients. But one thing I don't like about this conditioner is that it has a pretty strong smell. I have used a lot of conditioner from L'Oreal and I believe this one got the most strong smell out there, but I don't mind because once you wash it off, it kind of goes away, like not totally, but light smell stays in your hair for a longer period of time and it doesn't bother me after that. But while I'm applying, it is a pretty strong smell. Sometimes you can think that it is a kind of, parlor or salon kind of smell where a lot of products have been used. So it kind of smells like that, and it says to detangle our hair, and it does that. It serves the purpose, and I guess it's pretty affordable. Like, you're getting 192.5 for 209, so that is pretty affordable for a conditioner, and it's from a good brand. I mean, a well popular known brand. And what else can you ask from a conditioner? It serves the purpose and you should give it a try. I mean, I don't know about the whole range, but if you still want to pick something from this range, I would suggest to go for this, because the shampoo can be shampoo but conditioner varies. I mean, their no leave-in time conditioner actually need no leave-in time to show results, and this one also detangle as they have claimed. So I think it's a pretty option for you if you're looking for a new conditioner, new budget conditioner, whatever you are looking for. It is a good option and you can go for it. I recommend it. But if you are not okay with strong smell, don't go for this one, try something else. But if you're okay with a good smell in your hair and it doesn't bother you, you can go for this one. But don't apply it on your scalp. You don't need any more new hair fall. And that's that, and I think that's all about this small mini review of this conditioner. I've been using this for 2 to 3 weeks, so I think it's a pretty good time to share my own opinion about it, and you can definitely go for it. I'm gonna link this product in the description box below in case you wanna buy it, and I will come back super soon. Until then, please take care and stay happy. Bye bye.